Hey guys, Purple Kitty Agent here, and go away taskbar. Hold on. Go. Hold on. So it turns out, go away, that I have to jump into this. She does hurt me. See? So it can get my blood, so I can actually use it. Didn't know this part. Oh wait, it's because no, I actually have to jump into it, which I'm about to do again. I'm just gonna let my person will die faster without her armor on. So, as you see, you can't get out unless you break a block. So I'm just gonna let her die. Now let me see how much blood it has. It has a lot. So can I use it now? Oh! I might have to make this taller. And it's probably going to be a tree in my way. I did have to choose the same because I don't feel like stopping the video, so I can go mine. Yeah, now we can get that. Oh, okay. Now, let me see, can I use it? No, I still have to go in there. I have to sacrifice my person to use my smelter with. What I know I should do. My taskbar won't go away and it's driving me crazy. I should make. Oops. I have a crafting table out here. Like a little door so that I can just walk in every time it needs blood. And I can. Oop. Here. No. So. Oh, also, well, we're in here. Yeah, it needs more blood, so let's go get some iron too. Look. Go to sleep, and you guys can't hear me dying, but you do see my heart's going away. So an upside. And I am chewing gum right now. So. What we want is we want the blood to take over a good amount of it. I don't think this is gonna be able to do it. Oh wait! Oh yay! See, I was in the middle of like trying to make stuff when this wasn't working. Already, I might need some more blood soon. So just to be safe, I'm gonna get some more blood real fast. You will be seeing a lot of this. Step of the zero, try to create a molten fire. Oh yay, this has to thing on the way. Do you want to add some more? And this. I need my finder. Yes, I'm trying to make a hammer. And so far I have those and the hammerhead, and I'm making the tough tool rod. Dang it, my task. I will have to check up on the blood because I might have to kill myself. Oh yeah. I'm gonna need to kill myself. I don't have anything left. I guess we don't have anything. You don't need blood, maybe? But I do have some lava to fill up that lava. No, I almost pulled it all the way up. So my goal is to have this lava tank all the way up. But of course you're not going to be able to do that like straight away. And I prefer using these. I'm going to need some more blood. So, blood came back after I put in some more iron. I'm going to go kill myself again. Oh, well I'm at it. Let's add some more iron too. Every time I'm in here, I'm going to add more blood and iron. Those are the most important things that I need. So, and it just restores my health. So let's make sure. I think I should be good for now. I might actually need some more blood. So like I said, I need the blood to go to the actual top. I think. See, every time I'm in there, and every time I have 2 blocks, I have 306 millibytes, or whatever it's called. Okay, so we always add more iron every time I'm in here. True, no, it's just me. We are going to be spending most of my time in here, too, so. Because I really enjoy Tinkers, but I think we can go in the house. And I did grow. Ooh, is that apple? No, that did grow some apples, and I did add in some new mods as well. I added the storage mod, and I'm pretty sure I added in the iron chest mod. Oh, and Pam's. We love you, can try. Don't ask me to say it's true, you know it. Oh, oh, hey, baby, sister, and yeah, so we don't need, won't say we need more blood, but we'll add like a pattern of iron like that. And then I died. I see how much blood we have. I want to at least get to 1,000. But anyways, guys, after I get out of this, I'm probably going to end the episode. I'm going to die. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be doing some more getting blood and stuff off camera. Well, this is uploading, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out. Bye. Why do I always have to? No, I'm just gonna. You know what I mean?